Good morning, word wizards. Today we are going to continue learning more about words and how two letters together can change the sound. Let's look at these two words. Home and rope. What do you notice about these two words? What vowel sound do you hear? Yes, both these words have the long O sound with the magic E. Remember, the job of the magic E is to sprinkle dust on the vowel to make it say its name, like in the word home and in the word rope. Well, today we will learn how to read and spell words with the long O sound spelled with OA and OW. So let's look at our first word. Here we have O, soap. The OA in soap makes the long O sound. And our next picture is O, snow. The OW stands for the long O in this word. Watch me blend more words with the long O, spelled with OA and OW. Repeat after me. G, O, T, goat. The OA in goat makes the long O sound. The goat ate the grass. Now let's take a look at our next picture. We have a tree, and the tree will grow when the sun comes out. The OW in grow makes the long O sound. Let's try this together. First, we're going to do some OA words. Raincoat. The little boy wore a raincoat to cover his head. Raincoat. Raincoat is a compound word. We have the AI from last week making the long A sound, and the OA from this week saying the long O sound. Raincoat. Let's try another one. Boat. B-O-T. Boat. I rode on a boat in the summer. And our last word is toad. Toad and frog are great friends. Raincoat, boat, and toad all have the long O sound spelled with OA. Let's see some OW words. Bows. The little girl wore bows in her hair. Show. What is your favorite television show? The last word is window. I looked out the window when I was bored. Window. The words bows, show, window all have the long O sound spelled with OW. Today what I'm going to do is read a poem, and the title of the poem is called The Snow Ride. In this poem, the kids are riding on a sleigh pulled by a horse. As I read, I want you to listen for words with the long O sound spelled with OW and OA. The snow ride. It's a fun ride in the snow. That's what I was told. They roll across the hills, even when it's cold. They take the road around the pond and count the stars they find. Most people come home chilly, but they don't seem to mind. So in this poem, we heard two words Long O words spelled with O-W and O-A. The words are snow and road. Now it's your turn to practice. On this worksheet, you are going to find 8 words with OA or OW and circle them. Then you're going to read the sentences and fill in the blanks with the words below. Remember, word wizards, when you come across a word with OW or OA, think about the word pattern and see if it makes the long O sound. Happy reading!